नमश्रीयतिराजाय विवेकानन्दसूरये सच्चित्सुखस्वरूपाय स्वामिने तापहारिणे. Man is the maker of his own destiny. A great saying of Swami Vivekananda. And it is truly correct. Man, being the most intelligent living being in this world, can achieve what they wants to be. Striving towards his goal incessantly. To make his destiny, one must have faith in own self, in the strength, in his power one possesses, confidence in own ability and reliability on it. The Karma Yoga can be accomplished to make in turn of one's provident, can achieve the foresight and self-reliance. God help those who help themselves. Self-help is the greatest virtue. A man with iron determination is always remain alert both physically and mentally. Whatever hurdles to face, what may fall on him, overcomes all, and eventually is crowned with chaplets. A number of stories can be mentioned in this regard. In the land of science and technology, a huge number of scientists and inventors' continuous effort has enabled them to get success, to achieve the targets. A footballer, if cannot identify the goalpost, he cannot score a goal. Similarly, a person, if cannot identify his target, his destiny, he cannot reach to that. So at first, we have to fix our destiny, and then continuous uninterrupted efforts until reach to that. Thank you.